Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In our previous session we have learned how to deploy our React application to Firebase, and in this video we are going to see how to deploy our React application to Heroku. Heroku is also one of the free hosting sites. So for this you have to go to heroku.com here, and if you don't have any account here you have to click on sign up for free. You can play with this documentation and all. So once you click on sign up, you have to enter all these and create a free account here. I already have done that, so I am going to log in here, and once you click on login, you will be navigated to the dashboard here. Yeah, if you are logging for the first time, you will not see all these apps. I have already created some apps, so that is the reason I have got here. And if you are using for the first time, you have to click on new here and create new app. And if you want to create a pipeline, you can create by clicking this, and I am going to create a new app here. So I have to give name here. So once you get this available, you can click on any of this. I'm going to click United States and create app. Yeah, once you create the app, you will be navigated to this. And next thing is you have to have Git in your machine. So if you don't have Git, then you can go to this Git site, and you can download it for Windows or anything based on your requirement. And I have Windows here, so I have downloaded this and installed this in my machine. Once you are done with this, you have to do Heroku login. So first we have to install the Heroku CLI here by clicking this, and after this you can click on Heroku login. And before that I have created a project here, React project, and in this I have source folder and app.js, and I am going to write something here. Hosting React application into Heroku. Now I am opening my console, and I am going to do Heroku login. Before that, if you want to check the Git version, you have to use git -fn version. Yeah, you will get this version here. And if you want to check the Heroku version, what it is installed in your machine, then you can do this. You will get the version of the Heroku, and after that you have to use this Heroku login. It will ask for any key click, and I am going to click this. So it will navigate to the browser, and it will check the log. So you can click on login here. Now you have to go to your application, and you have to initialize the Git using git init command. So our repository got initialized here. Now you have to use Heroku git like this. It will create your application in the Heroku. So you can see this git got initialized here. So after this you have to click on Heroku and you have to add this. Once you are done with this, you can commit by using this or any message git commit -am, and this is the message. Now you have to push your code by using git push Heroku master or anything. So it will install some dependencies and all that. Let us wait until it gets pushed successfully. So if you have not watched my Firebase tutorial how to deploy to Firebase, you can go back to my channel, or I will give the link in the description box. You can go back to my channel and watch that. In the next video we will see about how to deploy our application or React application into Netlify. So this is all the deployment series I am going to create. So our build got successful. Let's wait some more time. Yeah, so you can see here our application got deployed to Heroku. Yeah, you can go to this URL, or you can go to this and open the application. So once you open the application, you should see your React application running in this Heroku. So you can see here what I have wrote in my app.js. So in this way we can simply create or host our application into Heroku in a simple manner. Yeah, this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on React and Angular and Node.js as well. Thank you.